Hi, Nevlin Knights. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. Instead of showing me, I thought I would show the sunset from last night. And there's a lot of different things going on in the world right now, and we're stuck at home and having to do a lot of things that's out of the norm for us. But sometimes if you take your time and slow down a little bit and look what's around you, there's a lot of pretty things out there. So this was the sunset from last night. Hope you enjoy it. Let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're going to be working on in math today. Hi, second graders. Let's look at our matrix and see what we're working on in math for Tuesday. It says check my progress. Complete numbers 7 through 12 on page 548. And if you remember, yesterday we did the first half of check my progress, which was basically the vocabulary. And we had words like survey and data and picture graph and key, and hopefully you were able to use this to help you answer some of the questions on that first part. The second part today is using tally charts and graphs to help you answer questions. So the first one says use a tally chart to make a picture graph. And here you can see over favorite toy, jump rope, baseball, inline skates, and bike. And the tally marks. Each mark counts for 1 vote. And then transfer that data onto a picture graph. So you'll have to come up with a little picture to represent jump rope and baseball, inline skates, and for biking. It'll come up with the same data. It'll just look different because you're using pictures instead of tally marks. Then once you have that graph made, you can come down. It says use the data from the graph to answer the questions. How many more votes did bike get than baseball? How many people like jump ropes and inline skates? So you have to, when you read these, you have to be careful about some of the clue words and words like how many more or jump ropes and inline skates. Use those clue words to kind of help you figure out, am I going to add or am I going to subtract? And then come down to the brain builders, and these are a little tougher story problems. Number 10 is how many more people voted for bike and jump rope altogether than voted for baseball and inline skates altogether. So there's kind of a two-part problem here. You do see altogether and altogether, but you see how many more also. So some key words right in here to help you figure that out. If 3 more people vote for jump rope and 1 more person votes for baseball, which toy is the favorite? So once again, you have some keywords here, 3 more and 1 more for the different sports. Number 12 is the test practice. 2 students did not vote. If those 2 students all voted for inline skates, which toy would have the most votes? So you'll have to calculate that up and see which toy then would have the most votes if those 2 students voted for inline skates. So second page, check my progress. I hope this helps. Take your time. Do a great job. Have a great day.